Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video just to announce the winner of the BabyHawk 2.5 inch that I announced a couple of weeks ago. Thank you to everybody that left a comment below. So as usual, what I'll do is I'll use a random comment picker to load all of those comments in, to strip the duplicates out, and then hit the start button. And the winner is Chris Whitehead. Chris Whitehead, congratulations. Pop me an email to lee@painless360.com and we'll get the address sorted out and get this little monster shipped to you and you can get flying. So thank you to everybody that entered, and keep watching because there'll be more giveaways in the coming months as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch that video, and particularly for watching right to the very end. We try and release a video on Tuesday and Friday, and sometimes we'll release one or two extra ones in a week as well. All of the videos on the channel are organised into easy to use playlists, so do have a look in there, because if you're interested in a subject, we organise all the videos on that subject so you can find them easily all together in one place. If you like what we're doing, then please like and subscribe and tell others about the channel so they can come and join as well. We're available in all of the usual social media places, particularly in places like Instagram, Twitter, and we also share all of our 3D designs on Thingiverse.